How are push piers installed? There are two ways push piers can be installed: outdoors and indoors. Step 1. For an outdoor installation, soil has to be removed from around your foundation's footing for each pier. For an inside installation, the concrete floor will be removed in an area that is about 3 by 3 to access the footing where each pier will be installed. Step 2. A specifically engineered steel bracket is placed under each desired footing location. Step 3. Steel pier sections are then hydraulically driven through the bracket to bedrock or load-bearing soil. Step 4. The weight of the home is then transferred from the foundation through the bracket and piers into the load-bearing soil or bedrock. Depending on whether it's an inside or outside installation and what the homeowner wishes, it can then be decided whether or not it's a good idea to lift your house to its original position or just to stabilize. Step 5. Once the stabilization and/or lift is completed, the soil is backfilled or the concrete replaced, and you will have the peace of mind to know your home is stabilized. When should you use them? Push piers can be used in most crawl spaces, indoors and outdoors. If you want a relatively quick installation, if you want to lift your home to its original position, if you want a permanent solution, and they are the least risky solution when soil conditions are unknown. This is one of the differences between push piers and helical piers, since helical piers do require an intimate knowledge of the local soil, but push piers don't, while providing a better solution.